Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install video of this 5x5 250% density 28-inch curly water wave wig from Wowangel. So many of you all have asked me to try this texture and I've been eyeing this texture for so long. So I was super excited to try this wig and y'all, it is giving. You know Wowangel always comes through with the super thick hair, but especially the HD lace. I do want to make sure you all get a good look at this lace or the lack of lace, but like, look at that. It is eating you guys, okay? So Wowangel is one of the few companies on AliExpress that has real HD lace. And like, y'all, it is eating. The lace looks so bomb. I love working with a real HD lace. So we are going to install this wig together, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so today I'm working with this 28-inch 5x5 250% density curly wig from Wowangel, and y'all know I love me some Wowangel. They have the best lace on AliExpress in my opinion, hands down. So they do have real HD lace, so let me show you all a close-up of this here lace. So here is the lace. So you can always tell it's HD lace by if the ends are like a little rugged. So let's make sure you all can really see. So you see these fine strands on the end of the lace. That is a dead giveaway that you have some really delicate, fine lace. I did bleach the knots on this wig. This is a 5x5 wig, like I said. So yeah, that is the lace. And it also comes with a sewn in elastic band. They put their branding on it this time. That is pretty fun. So here it is, you guys. Let me also get the box so I can show you all the goodies it came with. Okay, so it did come with these individual lashes. I guess this is for a lash set or something. It comes with a flyer. It tells you about their lace and the wig itself, how to take care of the wig, and then you get like money for reviewing the wig on AliExpress. Extra combs. Well, it does come with combs because the wig does not have any combs in it. I'll show you all the inside of this wig. So it doesn't have any combs in it yet, but it came with combs. So if you do want to sew these in, you can. But I always take the combs out of my wigs anyway because sometimes it pulls out my real hair. So, and it also comes with a little treat bag, very cutesy. So there is a band to melt your lace, an edge brush, lashes, and then an HD wig cap. So it comes with some nice treats, you guys. But we are going to install this wig. So one thing I kind of peeped, you can also adjust where you want the strap. So it's like 3 different hooks, so you can make it fit a little bigger or smaller. I know a lot of my viewers that have like a smaller head are always worried about whether or not the wig has an elastic band. So you can kind of adjust it and make it bigger or smaller, fit tighter or looser if you want to. And also it has this so you can adjust it. I'm actually kind of falling in love with 5x5 wigs because they are just so easy to put on. It takes like 5 seconds for me to put these wigs on, so I do really love that. And another thing I love about Wowangel is like the hair is thick. Like you see this hair is super duper thick. Their 250% density is gonna give 250% density all the way to the ends every time. Like, look at that. Let's spray this lace with a little lace tint to make it closer to my skin tone, because I'm a brown girl, so of course I need a little lace tint. And yeah, there, I just sprayed the lace. So I'm just gonna pop this thing on my head real quick. So since I do have a bigger head, I put the strap on the inside, like on the furthest hook, so it can fit a little looser. But like, look at this. And with this shirt, it looks very cutesy. Like these two are look together. I actually think this wig could be glueless. Let me try to do this wig glueless, honey. Like the lace looks almost invisible. Like I literally have it on and you can barely even see the lace. It looks really bomb. But the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to go ahead and cut off this lace. It's really fantastic having a 5x5 wig you can just throw on too, because they are just so easy to work with. They really are. I'm glad I get to try this texture because so many of you all have asked me to try this texture from Wowangel for so long. So let me get a comb so you all can see like how the TikTok girlies do it. Let me get my comb. So just like this with no glue, like the wig looks super good. Like it does look really good. You could definitely throw this wig on to go to the grocery store, run quick errands or whatever, but we are going to style this wig and really make the curls pop. So I am gonna glue it down. I'm going to use a little lace spray for the glue, so let's just scoop this thing a little back. And this is gonna be super fast, you guys. Super duper fast. So that is one layer. We're gonna do 3 layers. So this is the second layer. Okay, and now we're gonna do the 3rd layer. And on the 3rd layer, we're just gonna put the wig where we want it to be. So I want it right there, really, like just about right there. Smooth it down a little bit. I'm also gonna touch up any spots. I kind of see the lace coming up a little bit. And just like that, this wig is so easy to install. It literally took me 2 minutes, but we are going to go ahead and style this wig. I think I wanna do like a nice middle part. That would be really cute, like, oh my goodness, it's already eating. And then you do have a lot of parting space in this wig too. So like, I love a good long part. So a 5x5 is definitely the way to go. So as for styling curlier hair, all you really have to do is hit it with a little water. It's already looking so cute. Those curls are really coming together and popping. Okay, and normally I would use like a wide tooth comb to kind of like separate the curls a little bit, but I'm just gonna use my brush because it's near me today. Oh, that curl pattern is really pretty. It is eating the girlies up. You guys know I don't like my curls too tight. I like them a little looser, so that's why I am really big on adding a little product to the hair, but like, look at that. Okay guys, so I did kind of wet the curls some, and y'all, it looks so cute. It looks like mine. It does look like mine. Like, this is very vacation-y. Like, I could definitely wear this on a beach or to the pool or something. Like, this looks cute. But me, like, it doesn't need baby hair, but I do want to add some baby hair. I don't know. Like, you can still add baby hair with a closure wig. At first, I wasn't sure, but if you are a baby hair girly, you can still add some baby hair. So, let's add a little baby hair. And it is already eating the girlies up. So I also like the top of my curly hair to be like a little flatter. So I'm going to go in with this slick stick just to really flatten it out. Look like it's been gelled down or something a little bit. So then I'm going to hit it with my hot comb just at the top. So I'm not gonna go all the way down, you guys. So just like this. You see the difference? Like, I love this a little more. Like, this side looks cute. Or you could keep it curly throughout. Both of them look cute, honestly. Looking at it on camera, they both look pretty cute. Be careful, you guys, be careful. That is hot. Like, this hair is kind of giving me Joan from Girlfriends is what it's kind of eating. Like, this is a lot of hair, you guys. Like, this is a lot of hair. Like, Wowangel gets it right with their 250% density every time. And y'all, what lace? The lace looks so bomb. Like, you really don't have to glue this down at all. I promise you, you do not. Like, Wowangel just eats with their lace. If you aren't that good at laying your wigs, HD lace is the way to go, because even if you mess up a little bit, it's still gonna look fantastic. Like, even when a piece is coming up throughout the day, with HD lace, it still looks good. But I am loving this 5x5 wig. I'm turning into a 5x5 girly. Like, it's so easy to install. But you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to link this wig in the description box. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.